Okay, guys. Today we are going to learn how to solve multiplication word problems using equal groups. And just to go over really quickly what equal groups are, they are groups with an equal number of items in each group. So for example, using the picture on the title page here, we have 3 groups, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each group. So that would make our multiplication problem 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to move on to not only looking at a picture already given to us and writing a multiplication problem for that picture. We are going to be given a word problem, and we are going to use equal groups to solve that word problem. So our first word problem says, an octopus has 8 legs. Kyle counted 5 octopi in the tank. How many legs are there in the tank? So what we want to do here is think about, okay, what are our groups? Okay, so our groups, if you're thinking of the groups, we are thinking, since we're talking about the octopi are going to be our groups. So we are going to create 5 groups. So let me get groups started. So we have 1, and then I'm just going to copy and paste that. 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't matter the size of each group, that doesn't have to be the same. But the amount in each group should be the same. But you do want to create your groups big enough so that everything fits inside the group. Okay, so now we need to put little tallies or, really anything that will represent the legs. So it says each octopus, and the groups are our octopi, okay? And we have 5 octopi. So each of them have 8 legs. So inside each group, we are going to put 8 legs. One, oh, that's not going to work. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we'll do the same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, each group should have the same amount. 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so then what we can do is we can count, okay, how many we have all together. Not just in one group, but how many we have all together in all of our groups. So I know that this is 8. So I can always put, if I know this is 8, I can put 8 here. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 4 plus 8 is 32. And then 32 plus 8 is 40. So that means we have 40 legs in the tank. Now it's very important that you have that label on there, because if we didn't know, if it was just 40, what are you talking about? 40 cows, 40 birds. So we always want to make sure that we have our label. And typically in our label, it's going to be after the how many. So you'll find your label after the word phrase how many. Okay, let's do one more. And our last word problem we are going to work on says there are 9 erasers in each box. How many erasers are in 9 boxes? Okay, so we need to think about what is our group. Okay, and when we're thinking about our groups, we are thinking about the boxes. Okay, so we need to create 9 boxes. So we'll do the same thing. 1, and then we'll copy and paste that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we'll just spread those out. And then we will do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, all of them are having the same amount in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have 9 in each group. And then again, we'll count. So I know this is 9. So that is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Or you could really count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Each one individually. I'm just doing this to save time. 18 plus 9 is 27. This would be 36. This is going to be 45. This will be 54. This will be 63. This is 72. This is 81. So we have 81 erasers. Again, we always want to have that label, so that's why we should have the erasers. And again, after the how many phrase is typically going to be your label. If you have any questions, please ask. You can post on the module, or you can email me.